Okay, after the formation and the sign in by Google, your first interface showing up here by Google Chrome, the Google logo will show up here. Below is the search box, and the below is the two options, two shortcuts available. And upper left corner, this is called tab. And if you are going to add a new tab, you will click in here, add in a new tabs, and you can also close them. So the below this box, this line and the linear rectangular structure, you will search your anything up in your brain and mind. You can search in here. After, you can also have the option to type a URL. Unique resource locator. This is any resources you have, you can type in here and you will go right there. Like your HTML page, like any images and pictures resources you have, you will type in here, you will go right there. Okay, my apology. So this is a simplicity by Google. Any one person who's first time come into the Google Chrome will not go into the ambiguity, and he will show and he will be showing the simplicity by Google Chrome. All options, there are multiple options in the options in the options has by Google, but you will explore, you will any option has the great versatility, and the important thing is here and the affordability and economically these all options are freely available. So one important thing I have to show here, the simplicity by Google. Okay, this box, you will search anything right in here. You will search, for example, my best cars 2024. You will show here. So for example, if you search anything here, this box will give you a lot of options like all need. You will get any and all possible websites, number of websites shown in here which have the cars listing. So the second option is images. You can also click on image. This will show a lot of combinations and permutations that online Google has. This is a very important thing because Google is the largest and the biggest search engine worldwide, and it has the very easy things to be used. You can explore, get information, get data. You can type and save in your PC or laptop. You can do anything. Third option is videos. You can also explore the best cars 2024 videos. This will be collected by Google. Actually, Google is searching these best car 2024 on YouTube, searching for you, YouTube, YouTube, because they are working. People are working on the best cars 2024 on Google, on YouTube. So Google is collecting these all data for you. The fourth option is news. You will get the news of the best cars relating to these newses, and you will check the all information in the news box. Books related to the best cars 2024. It will also be helpful for you because Google is always assisting you. The more option, it will check. The finance option is also available. More tools also available. Okay, the down in here, when we will go through the anything. Okay, the Google always assisting you in the better way. If you are searching best cars 2024, Google also is assisting you. What is the budget of this car, customer reports, sports, under 30k, fuel-efficient cars, luxurious cars, family SUVs, and electric cars. So you are checking how miracle performed by Google in assisting you. Everything is available here. Folks, first of all, in the second option, if I am going to explore best SUV 2024, it will be categorically available information in front of you. You will explore more 15 options here. Okay, 2024 Mazda CX-90, 2024 Kia Telluride, 2024 Toyota Grand, okay, 2024 Kia EV6, Hyundai Palisade, and the Honda CR-V. So Google is telling you the popular SUVs in 2024 available from the sources across the across the web. It means it is providing you with all information which are available worldwide, because on the worldwide level, if they are working, people are working on SUVs, they will be shown by Google in here for assisting you. So on the right corner, this is quick settings for your browsers. If you are going to open it here, it will check the all information, and setting information you will check. The right thing, this is again very important, multi-point box. These all options provided by the Google. It's I think approximately freely available. For example, Google accounts. So if you're having the problems, or you have to manage your Google accounts, number of Google accounts you have, you will go into the options. You will be assisted by Google. Google search always has, uh, we have explored previously, this box is Google search box here. So maps also available by the Google. It's free. YouTube, as you know what is YouTube, you can play music and watch videos. News, Gmail, if you have Gmail account, you can check your emails interface in here. Google Meet, it's very similar application as Zoom is available. So Google Meet is also available, freely available online. You can talk to your favorite person on YouTube, on internet. You can also conference making more than two-person you will be talking to on the Meet option. Chat is also available by Google. Contacts, Play, you can download your favorite Android application or applications which are um, you have the games or Android applications or softwares available. So Calendar, Drive is also a great application. It is cloud-based storage. You can upload or videos, pictures and videos uploaded by Google Drive, and you can share um, to the person who are far from you. You can share these images by Drive. Actually, um, this will be provided by the link, and you will share the link, and the resources will be shared. Translation, Google Google Pictures, Photos, and Shoppings, Sheets, Docs, Finance, Slides, Books, Blogger, Google Saved. Earth is a map software. It's very clear images of um, Google Map. The Keep, Arts and Culture, Google Ads, Travel, Google Analytics, Chrome Web Store, and Forms. Actually, I think Google is providing you the all information, all assistance, and they are adding in new features every day for assisting you in the better way. So this will be the great you can say the my first video in the Google assistance. If you are new to the Google Chrome, this will be a better guide for you if you are a new person to the Google Chrome. So you will explore everything. If you are a research scholar, if you are uh, rider on a bicycle, if you are a best driver of the car, if you are student, if you are working in the great workplace, you everything you can explore in this box. So thank you very much for being so supportive, being connected on in this video. So thank you. Like this video and share and like and subscribe. Thank you very much. We will be seen in the next video. I will tell you a lot of information Google Chrome about Google Chrome in the next video. Thank you very much. Greatness.